Tesla shares peak at Semi factory. Tesla has shared a rare peak inside the factory of the Tesla Semi, which is expected to start production next year. Based on the video, it appears that work in the facility's interior is ongoing, just as hinted at by drone flyers of the site. Tesla Semi Factory. The new video of the Tesla Semi Factory, which is located close to Giga, Nevada, was posted by the official Tesla account on X. While the video was short at less than 30 seconds long, it did show several parts of the factory's interior, from its gigantic machines to its expansive space. The company also showed some initial production units of the Semi operating around the site. Elon Musk shared a quick update on the Tesla Semi's production at the 2025 annual shareholder meeting. While addressing the company's shareholders, Musk confirmed that production of the Semi is on track for 2026. Starting next year, we will manufacture the Tesla Semi. We already have a lot of prototype Tesla Semis in operation. Pepsi and other companies have been using the Tesla Semi for quite some time, but we will start volume production at our Northern Nevada factory in 2026, Musk said. Volume production of Tesla Semi is designed for 50,000 units a year. Tesla Semi redesign. Apart from Elon Musk's confirmation that the Semi will indeed enter production next year, Tesla also showed an image of the Class 8 all-electric truck's overall look. Based on a slide that was shown during Musk's presentation, it appears that the Semi has undergone a pretty major redesign. The redesigned Semi features updated design cues that align with the company's current lineup. Immediately noticeable from the Semi's updated design is its front end, which now feature headlights that resemble the style of the Cybertruck, Cybercab, and the new Model Y. Several other changes appear designed to improve aerodynamics, with Tesla now stating that the Semi has an efficiency of 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile. Side cameras, likely for FSD, are also quite prominent on the redesigned Semi. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.